Hello, everyone, and welcome to My Money Grows. Audiobooks are becoming increasingly popular, with many people preferring to listen to books instead of reading them. As a result, selling audiobooks on Amazon can be a lucrative opportunity. In this video, we'll cover 5 ways to make money selling audiobooks on Amazon. Narrate your own audiobook. If you have a good voice that can narrate well, you can create your own audiobook and sell it on Amazon. This can be a great way to earn money while also showcasing your talent. You can use Amazon's ACX, Audiobook Creation Exchange, to publish your audiobook and earn royalties. Record audiobooks for other authors. If you have a good recording setup, you can offer your services to other authors who want to create audiobooks. You can find authors who are looking for narrators through freelance marketplaces, such as Fiverr or Upwork. Alternatively, you can join ACX as a narrator and look for projects that fit your style. Create a production company. Creating a production company to produce audiobooks can be a great way to make money too. You can hire voice actors to narrate the books and create high-quality productions that you can then sell on Amazon. This approach can require a bit more investment up front, but it can lead to more significant earnings in the long run. Sell public domain audiobooks. You can also make money selling public domain audiobooks. Public domain books are those whose copyright has expired, meaning that anyone can produce and sell an audiobook version. You can find public domain books on sites like Project Gutenberg and LibriVox, and then sell them on Amazon. Sell your services as an audiobook producer. If you have expertise in producing audiobooks, you can sell your services as an audiobook producer. This can involve working with authors or production companies to help them create high-quality audiobooks. You can offer your services on freelance marketplaces or create your own website to attract clients. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money selling audiobooks on Amazon. By narrating your own audiobook, recording audiobooks for other authors, creating a production company, selling public domain audiobooks, or selling your services as an audiobook producer, you can turn your love of books into a profitable business. With a bit of hard work and some marketing savvy, you can make money selling audiobooks on Amazon.